Hello my friend, this is Bobby from Magic Garden. Many customers ask me, how do I know if the WPC is durable? Here, check. This is a 95 degrees Celsius water bath. It will give you the answer. And at the beginning, let me check here. In our factory, each production bench of WPC, it will be tested. Why? Because high temperature and cold water, they will electrate the agent. So we can check the potential problem much faster. And if the WPC, the material or formula, it is not good, we can check the deformation, the cracks, and the wrapping easily. Okay, first, let me check the result. First, we need to close it. And we put our samples 3 days ago. Let me check. This is our competitors. Check. September 24. And let me check. And you can check here. And you can check it is crack and deformation. It is loose shape already. And let me find our own balls. We put different color. Check. This one also, September 24. You can check. It is stable and no any cracks. No deformation. And this durability test, it is not for show. It can tell us if our WPC board, it can survive in real conditions, like high temperature in summer, heavy rains, and directly sunlight. And only by this strict test, we can guarantee our WPC boards, they can last 10 or more years for outdoor projects. And this lesson is very simple. Good WPC, it can handle heat and moisture. And poor WPC, it will fail quickly. And the last piece, always ask your supplier the testing methods, because not all WPC is the same. Different factories, they will use different formulas and different materials. So be careful.